Hello, good night. With our group 3, my name is Mayra Juliet Suarez Suarez.
Hi, my name is Ingrid Romero.
Hello, everybody. My name is Alejandro Duarte.
Today with our group 2, I will this question. How do you discover a good YouTuber or influencer? And my opinion, a good influencer is someone with us great and honest.
I agree. That's true for me. A good influencer is someone you respect their audience.
I think something different to my being a good YouTuber means entertainment people.
I believe every good YouTuber should is responsible.
Yes, I think the same. A good influencer should also be kind and positive.
I see, but I don't agree because influencers should show real life.
So a good YouTuber or influencer be creative and honest.
They should respect their audience and share positive content.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Goodbye.